Welcome back to the Ford Shop Yard, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to make a redneck door handle. Now, 3 out of the 4 door handles on my Jeep are broken. Here's the one for this side. And it sits in just like this. But you can't just buy this handle. It's a whole plastic piece right here that you got to buy. And they're like 60 bucks a piece in some cases. And you got to take the whole door panel off to replace them, cut and glue, and just to get the new assembly on. I said, the hell with that. So it's kind of hard to see, but if you look right there, where my finger's pointing, that's the actual latch to go to the door handle. So here's what you do. You want to get you a pack of long zip ties. These are 11 inches. You want to run them down just like that. And after some time, you got to really work with it. Get it around the latch and pull it tight so it's locked in around that rod. And then as you can see, when you pull on it, the door opens. And listen, you don't have to go spend 60 bucks and spend hours taking this door panel apart and trying to replace that handle right here. Do it the redneck way with a zip tie, and there you go. I mean, I'm not worried about the looks of this thing. I'm never going to get rid of it, so redneck door handle, there you go.